Hello and welcome to the introductory videos for cabinet vision. In this video we will be covering the room level sidebar. As you can see, we have started a new job. The area we will be covering today is on the left hand side of your screen, also known as the room level sidebar. Currently the only command available is the walls command. If we left click on this, then we can start drawing our walls. At the top of my screen you will see I am using the chained line command. This command allows us to continuously draw walls until we end the command. Walls in cabinet vision must be drawn clockwise, otherwise our dimensions will be internal. In the work area, we are going to left click in the upper left quadrant. This indicates our start point for the wall. Move the mouse away to the right hand side, making sure the angle on the left stays at 0. Once you've done this, enter 4000 on your keyboard, then click the enter button. You should have drawn your first wall at 4000 millimeters. Now, if we move the mouse down, making sure to keep the angle on the left at right angles, enter 4000 millimeters again. If you can't see the end of the wall, you can zoom out with the scroll wheel on your mouse. If you need to move the view you are looking at, click in the mouse wheel to pan the screen. Move the mouse wheel to the left and type 4000. Then, move the mouse up and type 4000 again. This should complete our 4 meter by 4 meter room. If you move the mouse, you will notice we are still on the chained line command. Click the escape key on your keyboard or right click to end the command. Click the return button in the top left of your screen so we can see the room level sidebar again. You will see the rest of the options have become active. We are going to move to the next command below walls called objects. Objects allow us to place all cabinets, furnishings and appliances in the room. The catalogs you see here are determined by the region you installed. I'm going to left click on the custom cabinets catalog to see its subcategories. We can see 4 sub-catalogs called base, wall, tall and vanity. Click base cabinets first to see what we have available. Left click on the standard base cabinet and you can see a preview of it in the bottom left hand corner. Left click again and drag the cabinet away from the library. Once your mouse is on the work area, you no longer have to hold down left click. The dotted line represents our cabinet size. In my case, it is 600 millimeters wide by 570 millimeters deep. The triangle denotes the back of the cabinet. To place the cabinet, we move it to position. Then, we overlap the walls and left click. Overlapping the walls and other cabinets activates Cabinet Vision's snapping feature. If you move the mouse away, you should still see the dotted cabinet on our cursor. To place another cabinet, we simply overlap the first cabinet and the back wall to snap the cabinets together. Continue to do this until you have 5 standard base cabinets. To finish the command, right-click or escape. Click on Custom Cabinets again, then click on the Tall Cabinets category. Next, we choose the standard tall cabinet and drag it to our work area. Place the tall cabinet beside our base cabinets. Finish the command with right-click or escape. Left-click on the tall cabinet in our plan view and type 1000 and click enter. Click OK to stretch the cabinet. We have now completed our run of base and tall cabinets. Click on Objects again and then find the Wall Cabinets category in Custom Cabinets. Wall cabinets are placed exactly the same as base and tall cabinets. Let's add 5 standard uppers to this wall. Right-click or escape to finish placing the cabinets. We have now finished placing our cabinets, so click return in the top left corner of your screen. To add a floor, click the Floors command, then click Auto Build Floors. You will see another square has appeared around our walls. Click the Return button. To add ceilings, click the Ceilings button and follow the same process. Once this is complete, click the Return button. To add countertop to your base cabinets, click the Tops button, then click Auto Build and click OK on the dialog window. Click the Return button. Finally, to add moulding, click the Moulding button. Then under Type, select the type of moulding you wish to add, such as cornice in my case. Click the Auto Build button and click OK. Next, I will add pelmet to my job. And finally, I will add skirting board to my room to make it more lifelike. Then click the Return button. Now that our cabinets, tops and mouldings have been placed, we can add other visual items such as appliances, windows and doors. Let's add a window. Under Objects, click Catalogs. Click the Furnishings catalogue and then click on Windows category. I'm picking the top one on my list and dragging it into the job. To place a window correctly, make sure the window is inside the room as shown. Then left-click to place it in a wall. Add another window to the bottom wall, and then finish the command. Lastly, we are going to add a door to the right-hand wall. Find the door category and drag in a door. Make sure you are inside the room, then left-click to add the door. Finish the command. This concludes our introductory video for the room level sidebar.